It's October 6th, 2023. We've just completed a week of rain, which was supposed to stop the drought. But look at, here's the parking lot waterfall, and there's still no water in it, completely dry. Pleistocene clay layer, dry. Now there is, interestingly, some water in the ditch, but no water in the waterfall or the creek. So even though forestry levels are down to no fire danger or little fire danger, the green level, this is still a bad foreboding unless we get a lot more rain in the near future. Okay, the parking lot waterfall, Golden Ears Park, South Beach parking lot, and no water, bad foreboding. Over and out. Have a good life. Have a good day.